Installing a car seat can be an intimidating and frustrating experience, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we'll show you how to install a car seat with the Isofix system, step by step. But first, let us explain briefly what the Isofix system is. Isofix is an international standard that has been mandatory since the introduction of the size regulation. The Isofix system allows you to safely and securely attach child car seats to your car without using seat belts. It's a standardized anchorage system that uses metal anchors built into the car to attach the child car seat. The Isofix system has been designed to simplify the installation of car seats and greatly reduce installation errors caused by seat belts. Now that you know what the Isofix system is, let's move on to installing the car seat. First, make sure that your car has the Isofix system. They are generally located in the back seat of your car between the seat cushions and the backrest. To install the car seat, start by unfolding the support leg and Isofix connectors of the seat. Make sure they are fully extended before placing the base on the vehicle seat. Next, install the base by attaching the car seat's Isofix connectors to the anchors in your car. You should hear an audible click when the connectors are securely in place. Adjust the support leg by pressing the foot adjust button and unfolding it until it rests firmly on the vehicle floor. Then, install the car seat on its base. On the majority of Isofix car seats, green color indicators show you when the Isofix connectors are correctly fixed to the car and if the car seat is correctly installed on its base. With these indicators, you can be sure that you have correctly fixed all the elements of your car seat. Finally, make sure that the car seat is securely fixed in the car to ensure that it does not move during your car journeys. And there you have it. Installing a car seat with the Isofix system is quick and easy. Don't forget to consult your car manual and car seat manual for specific instructions before you begin. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips.